Hey editors, are you struggling with the problem of no internet connection in CapCut and also can't use Pro features? If it's true, then this video is for you. I'm going to show you the best version of CapCut, in which all Pro features are unlocked, no internet connection problem solved, and you can also use templates for free. So let's get started.